In today's video, I'm going to take you along with me and show you how to make a delicious ham salad spread using your leftover Easter ham. We don't have a ton left over, but it's enough to make a couple dishes, which ham salad is one of them. And the other one I do is scalloped potatoes and ham. Super delicious, love that too. That's a separate video though. This one is for the ham salad. And so I'll just show you a quick technique here, super simple, nothing extraordinary, but it is a great snack. It's great on crackers, makes great sandwiches, and they actually consider it high protein, so it makes you feel a little bit better eating it. So come join me. Let's move this out of the way. I like to have plenty of room. I have a very small kitchen. So first thing we're going to do is take a little piece off and snack on it. At least that's what I like to do. So, okay, so we're going to take a couple slices here. Luckily, this is spiral cut with honey baked ham. Super delicious. Are going to need the food processor for this. This is a nice handy little one my mom gave to me. So sweet. So, okay, back to the ham. Now, I like to use the back end because these make great sandwich pieces. So we want to save those. And no one really likes the butt end. So that's what we're going to use to cut up for our ham salad. So first off, I'm super picky about fat, so I remove as much of that as I can. I know my family thinks I'm crazy too. It gives it flavor, but I don't like that flavor, so I take it out. But all those little scraps there. This bone, of course, is going to be used for soup. My husband makes the best ham and bean soup, so I'm saving that. And then what you do is just start chopping it up to get it ready for the food processor. Okay, once you got your ham all chopped up, what we're going to do is go ahead and put it in the food processor now. Every little bit of goodie. Comes out to about 2 cups. Okay, you want a fine texture. You don't want any big chunks in there. Okay, for our ingredients, you're going to need 1/3 cup of sweet relish, half a cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, half cup finely shredded cheddar cheese, and 1 hard-boiled eggs, or if you have deviled eggs left over, you could use a couple of those. Okay, let's start adding our ingredients. First, we're going to start with the 1 cup of mayonnaise. You might want to add a little bit more depending on how creamy you like it, but this is a good starting point and you can always add it at the end. Next, add your sweet relish. Okay, then you want to give this a good stir, get it all incorporated. Okay, it's a little dry to me. I like it a little moister than that. So I am going to add a little bit more mayonnaise, probably about full tablespoon. Okay, I like mine nice and creamy. That's why I added the extra mayonnaise. You don't have to. Just bring it to the consistency that you like it. Okay, next we're going to add our egg, and I'm going to make like egg salad out of it first. So you could throw it in with the ham and the food processor. That works as well. But I don't know. I just do it this way. Plus, I like to use my handy dandy little egg. My mom actually got me this. I'm not quite sure where she got it. I think at the grocery store. And it has really just come so in handy. Okay, now I add a little bit of mayonnaise to this as well. I remember at Easter time as a little girl, and we take our colored eggs out of our basket and eat the yolk only. I did anyway. I never did care for the whites. But I guess it was a good balance with all the chocolate we got too. So those chocolate bunnies, the ears always went first. Okay, now that I got this pretty well mixed up, it's pretty much like egg salad. Okay, now we're just going to add this to our salad. You could also use leftover deviled eggs if you have any left. I didn't. Those seem to go pretty quick in my house. But that's another good way to use up some of your leftovers. Okay, and let's stir and get all of that incorporated. Okay, now we're going to add our pepper. Our paprika. And stir that all in. Okay. All right, and lastly, our cheddar cheese goes in. And that'd be a good idea too if you're serving it as a dip or a spread. You could sprinkle the cheddar cheese on top and maybe even a little bit of the shredded ham for the topping to make it pretty. Okay, it's all finished and ready to serve. You end up having about 2 cups, which is plenty for a small snacking and a couple sandwiches. You can always double or even triple this recipe though. So let's serve up a little bit here and give it a taste test. really good. You have the smokiness from the ham, the sweetness from the relish, and then the cheese kind of adds a little richness in the egg. So it's really a great combination, something easy you can whip up, and it also makes a nice little midnight snack or evening snack, and a great little sandwich. Even little tea sandwiches would be great for. So I hope you give it a try, and I hope you enjoy it. And once again, thanks for joining me. And remember, you're blessed to be a blessing, so go bless someone today.